In this video, I will show you how to delete all ChatGPT chats quickly and easily. So if you want to clear your chat history and remove all your conversations at once, then make sure to follow along with this step-by-step tutorial to learn how to do this in just a few minutes. And before we do get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, of course, what you want to do is head over to ChatGPT and log into your account. Once you've done that, if you come over and click onto Recents, you're going to see all your chat history. What you can do is simply delete any of these individually by hovering over the chat that you want to delete, clicking onto the three dots that come up and clicking the option which says delete. At this point, you're going to get a pop-up window asking if you would want to delete the chat. Just simply click onto delete. Now, if you actually want to completely delete your whole chat history, then what you need to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto your profile icon just down here. Once you've done that, on this menu, come and click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, what you need to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto data controls. In the data control section, you're going to see an option to delete all chats. So all you would do is click the delete all button here. And what it's going to do is come up with a window asking if you want to clear your chat history. At this point, all you need to do is click onto confirm deletion, and what it's going to do is completely delete your chat history. So you can see that our chat history has now disappeared, and we now have a fresh, clean version of ChatGPT. So that is how to delete all chats in ChatGPT. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.